Bon dia, mi gente. Good morning, everyone. Today we're gonna present you a beautiful arrival on rental, beautiful apartment in Vista Cana. Mi gente, tenemos un apartamento en Vista Cana por la renta, una belleza. Mira este clubhouse, piscina, gimnasio y una seguridad en Vista Cana. Por favor, no perdí esta oportunidad de renta para vivir como un rey y una reina. Guys, please follow us, damani.realty.com, the website for you to buy, to rent, and to have a smart investment. Today we present you a beautiful apartment, a 2-bedroom in Vista Cana in Panorama Lake. Look at the clubhouse, look at the swimming pool. We have gym for you and the best security of Punta Cana in Vista Cana. Follow me now, sígame. All right, there we go. We're going in. So this is the entrance. We're gonna go all the way inside. This is the gate, security gate. We're almost done. This is the clubhouse, okay, where we're gonna have the pool. This is the first building. You see that the parking lot, they're already done. Everything is ready to go on this side. This is of course the first phase. So everything is ready, done. You can see the first building, okay, the main entrance on the side, and now we're going on the other side where your building gonna be. All right, so this is the phase that they're working on, and this is the I building. All right, so this is pretty much where we are, and this is about you building. So that's why the delivery, I think, gonna be end of the year or next year. This is the I building on the other side. All right. And this is the entrance of Vista Cana. Right, so you have a real idea of the construction, Russ, and on the phase that you are. All right. So this is the last phase that they're gonna build. They're just doing the touches on the other side. And as you can see, the clubhouse and the swimming pool, everything is pretty much done. Right, so let's walk into the swimming pool, clubhouse, and they're gonna start delivered on the first phase. They're finishing all the swimming pool. All right, this is it, Russ. That's your construction and your website. Thank you. I'll see you very soon. Guys, we are in the building. Follow me now and let's see. Elevator, un ascensor para ir a nuestro segundo piso. Vamos. Ya llegamos. Guys, let's have a look at this beautiful apartment. Wow, everything is clean and nice. Look at that. We have a first access to a bathroom and the laundry room. Mira eso. Eso tenemos la lavandería con acceso al baño. Una cocina, todo amueblado por la renta inmediata. Guys, please don't miss the opportunity. We have a beautiful 2-bedroom for you just for rent in Vista Cana. Let's go and have a look at the balcony. Mi gente, por favor, mira este balcón directamente amueblado con una vista perfecto a su parqueo. 2 habitaciones con una renta tranquilamente, una seguridad y todo lo que necesita. Guys, everything is full furnished. We have 2 bedroom, 2 bedroom. We have 2 bathroom and you have con acceso al baño, una cocina, todo amueblado por la renta inmediata. Guys, please don't miss the opportunity. We have a beautiful 2 bedroom for you just for rent in Vista Cana. Let's go and have a look at the balcony. Mi gente, por favor, mira este balcón directamente amueblado con una vista perfecto a su parqueo. 2 habitaciones con una renta tranquilamente, una seguridad y todo lo que necesita. Guys, everything is full furnished. We have 2 bedroom, 2 bedroom. We have 2 bathroom and you have including a kitchen and a living room. No more than that. Look at that, we have an extra bedroom. Guys, please don't forget, we're talking about a 3 bedroom apartment. 3 bedroom apartment, 3 habitaciones en Vista Cana, en Panorama Lake, por la renta. Guys, with Dominic Smart Investor, remember, don't miss the opportunity. Y call us now. Llámanos ya.